The first thing you want to do is separate the wings. You want to take this tip off. This is no good. And then you want to separate the drumette from the flat. So you just start by cutting the tip. I'm using a cleaver. It's a little heavier and easier to get through the bone. You can just kind of break it like that and it'll pull this joint apart, and then you can just go right between it and cut the rest of it, and there you go. You've got two pieces. You got the flat, you got the drumette. Next step, I'm going to spray these with some duck fat. This will help the rub adhere to them, but this is going to help them get some nice color when I put them on the grill. Now I'll hit them with a garlic pepper rub that I make. I'll actually put a link to a video that's got the recipe to this in it. This will give them some nice garlic flavor, and also it's got just a tad bit of heat to it from the pepper. It's got coarse ground black pepper, and it's also got a little red pepper or cayenne pepper in it. So just hit both sides with this. Won't take long. If you'll notice, they're already picking up some char. That duck fat will really help to firm up the skin, get it good and crispy, get some nice color on there. These are already about where I want them, so I'll go ahead and start moving them over to the other side of the grill. Let them cook indirectly for just a little while. Don't be afraid to put a little char on them. That's going to give them some good flavor, make the skin nice and crispy. If you'll notice, I left a little bit of space in between the wings. I'll go ahead at this time and put the lid on, let them cook indirectly. This is a very hot fire, so it won't take them too long to come up to temperature. While those wings are finishing up, it's time to go ahead and start working on the sauce. I've got 2 cloves of garlic. You can grate this, but I'm just going to work it down real fine with the knife. You want to mince this up really nice and fine. We want plenty of garlic flavor, but you don't want any huge bites of garlic when you bite into these wings. So this looks good to me. Now it's time to start building the sauce. So I'm just going to put my skillet on here with a stick of unsalted butter. Go ahead and add my garlic. Now I'm hitting these with some Parmesan cheese. There's some grated and shredded in this bowl. Dropped a few wings on the ground, so this good boy got a little unexpected treat. Let's try that again.